Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to go over my stock picks for the week of April 19th through the 23rd. Just to reiterate, I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure you do your own research before investing in a stock. Also, guys, if you find value in today's video, smash that thumbs up button. It helps the channel out in a massive, massive way. Also, if you enjoy our content, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know whenever we release new content. Also, if you're new to trading, or if you want to open up a separate account and you do not have a Webull account, check out my link below, sign up, deposit $100, and you'll get 2 free stocks. It's a good way to jumpstart a new trading account or a new trading career. Other than that, guys, let's dive right on into it. Okay, guys, so a recap of April 12th through the 16th. My picks were eBet, which was a new IPO, CLN, Gevo. Okay, I can say I was definitely 1 for 3 because CLNE and Gevo took the fat L just like a lot of other things in my portfolio. So let's look at the charts real quick and see what they did. Tell you what, just kind of give you some insight on what to do moving forward if you do have these plays. Okay, guys, so eBet was originally supposed to come out at about $5 to $6. Actually opened up at about 20 something. Actually, it got all the way up to $36 at one point here, and then hit a high of 71.01. And I'm sure hope that no one bought here. Okay, and just people started taking profits past that point. So if you have not gotten into this stock and you do want to get in, keep in mind we did switch from a bullish to a bearish pattern. I would let it cool off for several days and let yourself make that decision on if you want to get in or not. I would not get in right here at all. I would just kind of wait it out because I really don't know enough about the company just yet. But if you got in here, kudos to you because you wrote it up, and you could have taken profits anywhere in the 50s or 60s to play it safe. I just hope no one bought here because now you're left holding something that's going to take a while to get back at that point. So we can look over at Gevo. I was talking about how they were in undervalued territory and we're going to try to ride the wave, at least a little small spike up. And we talked about anything really under $8 would have been attractive. Well, now we're far below $8, and if we find support at $6.21, then we still create a decent, actually a better swing play this week as opposed to last week. But I would just be careful with these guys. I have some of this stock here, and obviously I am down because I bought around here and it just completely fell down. I thought we were going to see at least a temporary spike in momentum before selling off, but we're still undervalued, which means it's a good deal to buy in this particular time period. So you could buy here, you can average down, and then when we get closer to the $8 level, you can sell off because the $8 level now is resistance as opposed to support. And CLNE, take a look at it. Obviously still in a downtrend here. We're finding support at about that $10.95, $11 level, and we got as high as $13.03 and just fell back down. So why is this happening, guys? Well, basically overall in the market, I'm going to show you this. The S&P, it broke through actually and got new all-time highs again, and we're extremely overextended, guys, in the market overall as a whole. So you can expect some more red, in my opinion, this upcoming week, unfortunately. And in our stock picks for this week, that's going to be, I'm taking this into consideration as far as why I'm picking these stocks, because I think I can get them at a decent price. So just keep that in mind here in a second when we get into those picks. Okay, guys, my picks for this week: IQST, Tesla, FNGU. Okay, IQST is not necessarily a stock I'm saying is going to pop this week. I'm saying I'm going shopping this week and I'm keeping an eye on it. And if it falls below the current levels now and it gets to about the 50-cent range, then I'm scooping some up at those levels as well. This is a very, very longer term play for me. But you want to check this stock out if you haven't already. Subscribe to my channel, go to my videos, and look for it. I have a couple of videos on it, and it's I'll link them in the description below as well. Make it easy on you, okay? Tesla and FNGU are two that I took profits on last week. These are some swing plays that I'm going to continue doing because they're pretty predictable in a sense of, Tesla is very volatile. Whenever it's undervalued, it's going to shoot straight back up. and then eventually kind of slowly start coming back down. And FNGU follows our major tech plays, and if we're overextended in the market right now, then and we've been doing really well on FNGU, we've been kind of slowly coming back up on an uptrend, we're due for a slight pullback. So let's look at the chart, see what they're telling us. And basically my plans for these two here is if I can get 10 to 20% swings on these plays here, then I can use those profits to average down on my other plays that I'm currently down in that are more longer term, such as GNUS, IDEX, Golden Nugget, ZNOG, things like that. Okay, so let's take a look at the charts. I'll give you some key support and resistance levels, and we'll go from there. Okay, here is IQST. We are undervalued right now, guys, so I don't expect it to stay there very long. I think people are going to like these price points here, but just for some reason, if we start selling off more, your support's going to be at about 47 cents, and in my opinion, I really hope it gets to that point so I can buy some at that level. If not, our resistance is about 80.5 cents, and to break trend, we look to get at about 86 cents, 87 cents. We have to hold that level to break trend and confirm that we're back in an uptrend. But it is falling down right now, and these prices are very attractive. I bought some more last week. Every time it dips down further, I'm going to buy more. I'm just kind of nibbling right now. I'm not, fully finishing out my position. I'm just slowly grabbing some shares of it. So let's take a look at Tesla next. We all know who Tesla is. Okay, so currently right now we have a support of 708.25 and a resistance of 884.89. This one long term, absolutely, I see it busting through here and rolling towards that $1,000 mark. But like I said, that market's overextended, and I think we're going to see some more downside from this stock. We had a very, very good push up here, okay, closer to that $800 level. I ended up taking profits somewhere around here just because I knew that we were going to come back down. Okay, that's why it's very beneficial to understand the charts. And then we got a sell signal here, so it doesn't mean we can't reverse it and come right back up. But if we fall back down and we try to test that support, then right here is where I'm going to try to scoop some up. And especially if we fall below that, okay, somewhere in the 600. So 700 or below is my entry point, and anywhere in the high 700s, closer to the 800s, will be my take profit point on that. FNGU, anything right here of the support level of the 31.50 range. So basically anything under $35, I think I can grab a couple shares of that and hold it and wait for it to pop. Because this one in the long term, guys, I see it doubling, potentially tripling over the year, because the tech plays, as they start recovering and moving further up, then this will follow it as well and do the same thing. Okay, it's gonna create some great profits for us. But in the meantime, until I'm like fully sold that we're having a strong bull run, then I'm just going to continue to swing it most likely. But as you see here, if you'd have bought some down here, which I did buy some down here, you'd have had a great run. But I think we're due for a pullback closer down to like the 31.50 or so, and then that way, it's healthy though if you have a nice pullback, and as long as we bounce off of that support and come back up, that would be great. But just kind of watch it, because we could just consolidate around here. If we continue to just consolidate around here, then I'll definitely buy some at these levels. But worst case, I'll buy a couple, and if we fall, they're cheap enough to where I can just nibble and finish out my position at a certain price point. That's what I did the last time. Some things to watch this week, guys. Watch the VIX. Like I said, we are overvalued right now, so if we happen to have any type of volatility, just take a look at VIXCentral.com and see what's going on. If the VIX is going to rise, that means we may have a pullback, and that can create some good buying opportunities for you in the week. And I think it will, because like I showed you in the charts, we're very overextended. Okay, COIN coin. This is Coinbase. I would keep an eye on this as well, because I am looking to potentially get in here. I'm hoping that we can. I just want to see where it's going to kind of settle down at. I don't know if it's going to hover around the 300 level, go below it before taking back off again, but it's something to keep an eye on. And SNPW, guys, those of you who are in the stock, keep an eye on them and just see what kind of news that we have coming out. I might average down in them. I'm not sure exactly what's going on right now at this point. We did make a video on them last week, and I expressed a couple of concerns about the company as far as their PR. It's just something seems a little fishy to me that they're on Twitter pumping up their stock. So if I get any type of indication or any type of repeat of how they're handling their PR, then at least temporarily, I may, try to average down, wait for a little spike, recoup my money because I am down in them right now, and then maybe move it over to IQST, or I'll just kind of wait it out and see how things play out, because they do have some good things in the pipeline. I just don't like the fact that they're on Twitter pumping their stock. I think it's extremely unprofessional, in my opinion, and really, to me, kind of unethical. So we're going to keep an eye on them this week, and then I'll let you know what I decide on this particular play. But overall, I do think they have some great things in the pipeline. They just have to do a better job of talking about their stock and alerting their investors, in my opinion. All right, guys, that's all I got for you this week. Make sure that you like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. Please comment below on what you would like to see. Comment below on my stock picks for the week. Do you like them? Do you not like them? Any type of comments welcome, guys, as long as it's, nothing nasty. But we're open to some discussions. If you have some disagreements on my picks, or if you like my picks, or if you like my channel, anything, leave me a comment below. It helps the channel out in a massive way. Other than that, guys, we'll catch you in the next video, and I hope you have a great week ahead.